Hello, Professor. This is Xinyuan Jiang. Please allow me to present my final project. The title of my final project is Library Management System, and my system consists of a front end and a back end. The first thing I show is my backend page. First of my backend page needs user login. Login role, I took 3 different roles. It's respectively administrator, student of our school, and a non-university student. And different roles have different functions. Here we need to look at our database. This is our database. We can see the 3 different roles have uh, 3 different types. We can see the 0 means administrator, and 1 means student, and 2 means non-university student. And the 3 different roles have uh, different password and different user ID. Now we should log in the administrator. We can see this is the role of the distribution, and there are 3 parts. And the functions of the administrator have he can control the user management and the book management. And this is our user lists, and we can add user. In the user management interface, the administrator can see the names of all types of readers in the library and the number of books that can be borrowed by each type of user, and can add, modify, and delete information about user types as needed. And by clicking this button, we can increase the number of users and assign their identities, like account, password, name, sex, phone, and a different role. And by clicking the update, we can update and improve user information. If user needs to change their password, the administrator needs to use this function. And the delete button can delete the user's account. Next, let's take a look. Let's take a look at the function of book management. The book management functions are divided into book, category, and the category management and the book management. In category management, we can add book categories and also update and delete book categories. We click this, we can add the category of the books, and we clicking this, we can changing the name of the books categories, and we can delete it. And for book management, by clicking this add book, we can add books. This including the book ID, book name, book author, and the book description. And we also can I think students can search for books not only by searching the book name, but also by searching the book ID. And we can also click the update button to update the book's information, like this. And set the classification of books here. And so this is the function of our administrator side. Next, we will show the student side and the non-university student side. And we should switch the account. we need to enter the password of the non-university student side first. And so, uh, and the non-university student side includes three modules: the book search function and the book borrowing and returning functions. And we can enter the book name in the blank part to find the book. And the book lists displays various information about the book. And we can click borrow to borrow the book. It said borrowing successful. And we refresh, and we should refresh the page and come to the book borrowing modules. We can see the borrowing time and the book borrowing amount and the current status of the book and display the borrowing and display the borrowing time. We click return books and the system automatically updates the return book of the return time of books. So this is the interface function display for non-university students to log in. And next, we will focus on the university student page. We also should switch accounts and input the password and the username. And I think the only difference between our school students and non-students in terms of function is that I set up that our students can borrow books for free. Yeah, this. And non-students need to pay fees to borrow books. And the purpose of this design is that the library of my undergraduate school was open to everyone at the time, including our students and non-students. And this has led to many times that we cannot borrow the books we want to read, and there have been cases of books lost and timely return. And I think this has undoubtedly caused a lot of problems. And I believe that the situation will be improved through this design of the function. So this is the whole function of the background. And next, I will introduce the function of the front desk of the project. This is the website of the front desk. And I have designed the front desk as a bookstore type page, through which user can find the books they want to borrow, and we can click this to conduct a physical query on the book library, and there is also a classified display of books below, and we can select the books we want to borrow according to the classifications. Next, I want to introduce the technology. The technology stack used in this project is Springboard 8, the SimLeaf, and MyCircle, and MyBats Plus. I built it on the basis of Springboard and SimLeaf. A Springboard is an integration framework that automatically assembles many configurations, and you can start the project without writing a key. SimLeaf is a template engine that is very friendly to backend personnel and can easily obtain the data stored in the backend, and including the data in the session. Generally, the projects that are not separated from the front end and the back end use SAMleaf together with Spring Boot. The database uses a regular MySQL database. In addition, we use MyBets Plus for database operational in order to develop quickly and easily. And the framework bottom layer has its own basic API, which makes it very convenient for developers to call a method to operate the database. Finally, and I think the system functions meet the needs of the users, and administrators and readers can log in to different pages. Librarians can maintain readers, punish information, maintain books, search books, borrow and return books. Reader can inquire about book information, borrowing conditions, and changing passwords. The realization of this function enables the library management workflow to realize the computer network management and achieve the automation of library management, improve the work efficiency, and complete the goal of the initial design of this management system. That's all. Thanks for watching.